Benny's Mysterious Noise. Written by Raz the Storyteller. One quiet afternoon, Benny the baby dinosaur was playing in a sunny clearing in the jungle. He loved exploring, but today it felt a bit different. There was a strange noise echoing through the trees. What could that be? Benny wondered, his little heart racing. He decided to investigate and cautiously walked towards the sound, listening carefully. As he moved closer, the noise grew louder and louder and more mysterious. A soft thump, thump, thump. Benny spotted some bushes shaking nearby. Is someone hiding in there? He thought, feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness. Suddenly, the bushes rustled even more, and Benny took a tiny step back. Hello? Is anyone there? He called out, his voice trembling a little. Just then, a bright blue feather popped out from the bushes, followed by a cheerful squawk. Surprise! Shouted Polly the parrot, flying out with a big grin. I was practicing my dance. Benny laughed, relieved. You scared me. I thought something was chasing me. Polly giggled and said, No, just me and my silly moves. Want to join? Feeling brave again, Benny nodded. Sure, let's show everyone our dance. They danced together, making the jungle echo with laughter and fun. Happy that the suspense had turned into a joyful surprise.